Right? These are the things or the guidelines that how to prepare yourself for the interview. With this expectation you have come, right? Okay, good. So even we have the same thing because as we discussed in MOP class, yours and ours should match, right? So when there is matching only, then only whatever we are teaching, it will go to you, and whatever you are expecting, we will understand, right? So let us start. Yes. So before we are going to act like an interviewer and interviewee. Interchangeable roles, right? Sometimes you may ask me a question, and sometimes I'll ask Srinivas sir a question, right? In between, I'll ask you all also a question, so that what you are going to tell for that, and then how it has to be spoken about, right? Okay. Yeah, before we start off the question and answer session, right? So I'll just tell you some tips, right? How you have to prepare yourself for an interview, so that you have that in your mind. Now when you are going for an interview, yes, Srinivas sir is going to put in the group, yes, which company and then what is the job profile, your description of that particular job. Now it's okay, no? That mic has some problem now. Yeah. Okay, so Srinivas sir is going to put it in the group for y'all before you go for an interview. What is the name of the company? What is the job description? What exactly you need to take up the roles and responsibilities? And what are the skills that are required for that particular job? Right? So these things are initially put in the group, right? Based on that only you are going to go for an interview. I've seen many of them asking questions to sir. Sir, for which what are the qualifications? Sir, where it is? Right? Which company? Right? Whether it is a part-time or full-time? Right? All these questions you start asking once sir puts that in the group. Most of them without reading they'll be asking. Some of them after reading they'll be asking. Right?
Fast. So tomorrow onwards only I give you 5 to 7 minutes. So after that I'll stop the students. It's up to you. So tomorrow onwards 2 to 3.
2 to 3.
2 to 3 only, because after 2 o'clock 1:42 they have
1:42 to 2 you have
so
to take.
sharp 2 o'clock you have to be here. Otherwise stop. So there will be 5 minutes grace period. 2-5.
Because you have to maintain your timings. Okay? Now when you go for an interview, you need to, know what is the name of the company. Right? When sir is putting about the company, you have to read about the company. But I don't know how many of you are going to read the company. If sufficient information is not there about the company, you have to go to their website, browse it, and then come. And also, you have to understand what exactly the company deals and what is the structure of that particular company, right? When it is being established, how your job role which is being placed by Srinivas sir, how it is connected, where exactly it falls, right? So, which department it is going to fall? What are the future strategies or plans that company is having? Where it is planning to invest further? All these things when you go through the website, you are going to get. But I've seen from past experience, and I think even Srinivas sir also will agree with me, most of the students without reading the company or knowing about the company, they go to the interview. Is it sir?
Yes.
Why they fail? Because this is one of the problems, because you don't know what is the company name also. And sometimes you don't know which position also you are going for. Right? And then this is a starting step for your failure. So it will become a starting step for your success when you read these things. So you should be very clear about what exactly for what you are going for an interview purpose. Right? And then when you go for an interview, you need to dress up well. Right? And then because when you dress up, you get that confidence level. Good afternoon, Father. You get that confidence levels. Right? So you need to be sure about yourself and what you have written in your resume. Yes? Because you need to read and reread your resume, because you need to know what exactly you put in that. Maybe you might have prepared some 2 months or 3 months or 4 months back. Right? But when you are going for that specific interview, you need to go through them in detail about it. So when you know about yourself well, then you will be able to, interact with the interviewer well. Okay? Let us start with the what you have to do, what you should not do, right? Okay. Yes, Srinivas sir will be entering into the room. I am the interviewer, right? Yes, sir.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, sir.
Can I ask?
Kindly take your seat.
See if he's not going to offer. Yeah.
Sir, mic sir, sir.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. See, whenever you are entering into HR's room, you should be very confident. Excuse me, sir. May I come in, sir? Excuse me, sir. May I come in? May I get in? You understand? Should be, you understand, with confidence, lot of confidence. I could see some students, what happened? Can I come, sir? Excuse me, sir. Adikwa, you understand, they'll show the blank faces also. It's not happening. Because when you are entering, the moment you enter, you should have a spark. Excuse me, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Then madam will ask, take a seat. Then what happened? Then interview will start. First of all, what happened, proper dressing with confidence, lot of confidence. Good morning, sir. It's not good. Good morning, sir. Okay. Good morning, sir. With a light smile on the face. Hey, good morning, sir. You understand? Sometimes what happened? See, you won't offer the handshake. Sometimes you try to put your hand and you try to. Don't do that. When he offers, then you have to shake your hand. You understand? Otherwise, thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. You understand? So you have to tell like that. So this is what very, very important. Light smile on the face and good confidence. Excuse me, madam. Yes. That's what. Okay.
Shows
That is what
your
we do.
confidence level. As sir said, yes, 70% of your body language you can depict what you are. Right? Only 20% is the voice.
Yes.
And then 10% is
What you
way-
perform in the
Yes.
interview.
So your body language tells you how confident you are for the interview. Right? So you should be able to know. So I'll ask, please take your seat. Yes, sir. Why are you opting for this particular job in the organization? So I'll be asking the person, yes, why he is here, for what purpose he has come to join, and why he has preferred this particular company. So why did you prefer this particular company?
Sure. Okay. So I'll tell you, before telling that, all of you may watch the Telugu movie. Mr. Who's that guy? Prince Mahesh Babu. Sithamma Vakitlo said, So when he went to that interview, see, sometimes you see, he is having something in a family background conflict which is going in the mind. Because he was rejected, he was blamed actually in front of the panel members because of his smile. Because you must, that's what madam is talking, something that confidence is very, very important. So under you, because when you become the manager in any company, so under you there is a team of 20 to 50 people will be working under you. So you should have a lot of patience. That is what very, very important is going to check. So that's what madam said, rightly said, 70% is your personality, 80% is your, 70% is confidence level, 80% is what is going to, how you are going to talk to them, and 10% is what is going to answer. If you don't,
70, 10.
yes, if you don't have the conceptual knowledge also, it's okay, but confidence is the matter. Yes, you can able to handle 70. So, if madam asked one question, can you repeat once?
Yes. Why did you choose this company for yourself? Why you want to join in this particular company?
For this, you can answer like this, the best answer. Being a fresher, okay. Sir, myself, my specialization is finance. So the finance analytical position, I felt I am more suitable. The reason why I am suitable, I have done an internship with the company, Franklin Templeton, for 3 months of period. I learned lot of financial analytical models, which I was not learned in the theoretical concepts. And apart from that, I also did my project report also in the similar line in the one of the company called Berkadia, where on the analytics area. And apart from this also, because when it comes to my skills, I developed my skills as a financial analyst with the beautiful models which I learned through certificate course. So all these things, definitely I have, these are the unique skills. I'm different from the other students, I feel. So I am the most suitable person comparing to any other person who are attended for this particular program. You can answer like that.
So it means that as sir is answering, he is telling that in which area he is good at, what is his strengths, and then what is the reason. He is also giving the reasons why we have to hire you in the company. So in one question, in one answer, he is able to get the interview, is able to get the total complete view about the particular person, right? And then, sir, what do you think that, what are the three things that I have to take from you where you are suitable for this particular job?
Yes. Thank you once again, sir. So I feel I have a lot of patience because generally finance people require a lot of patience to sit and analyze doing things and working in front of the system. So I have a lot of patience. Apart from that, I have the unique skills which I learned through the different types of the programs, certificate programs, internship and the project report. The other thing, I got a good opportunity in the college level programs, state level programs. I was headed a team of 20 members. We have the college Joseph Fiesta. In that, I was made as the finance manager for the one of the program, which is the financial area. So I feel I have the leadership skills in the finance area. Apart from that, I have the unique skills compared to any other person. I also, one more thing I said. Patience. Yeah, that is what. I have the patience and computer knowledge. That is what you can tell. These are the ways you try to convince the person. Because this is all contingency, situational. According to the situation, always you need to link your characteristics, your knowledge, your conceptual skills to the company requirement. That is what is required. Sir, I cannot tell, sir. Don't show the blank face. Please try to recollect.
You have to also show that you are interested in taking up this job in the organization when you get. So that interest should be there. See, until and unless you show that, see, from the body language and the way you speak, it tells you that you are interested to join this particular organization. Sir, what are the things that you feel that you are weak at and then you are trying to improve them?
Yes. So I'm just weak at because the practical things. I know all the procedures, though I learned through project report. It has a limited period. I learned certain things in the 48 days. Even the internship also, I understood the organization structure and everything. Certificate course also, which is the theoretical. But now, my weakness is I need to learn certain kind of the models where I was interested. I want to implement and I want to experiment. I want to become a master in this particular area. For that, I'll definitely try. I'll do definitely for the benefit of the company as well as my personal growth.
Okay. See, if a job is given to you, will you work like a loner, or would like to coordinate with your team members and then work? Which one do you prefer the most?
Yes, I believe that teamwork is very, very important. Because from MBA levels also, because I learned to work in the teams, because team always performs better. Because individually we have seen Japanese theory and the Americans theory. Americans always give importance to the individuals, but individuals cannot perform longer period of time growth. I really habituated. I got an opportunity to work with a team from my college level. So definitely team will be always, one single individual cannot become the unique creative thinker for the all the, you understand, throughout the time. So because of that, what happened, team. I love to work with the team. I always take the others' important suggestions also. That's the way I can grow.
If you are stressed up during your job, okay, how do you overcome your stress in the job?
Definitely, this is one of the beautiful questions that what is the asked? Stress.
Yes,
Stress.
stress.
Okay.
Yes,
So
if you
when
are
I
faced
get-
with the stress,
Yes.
how do you overcome the stress? Because in an organization there will be multiple works that will be given to you. So how do you handle the stress?
How to handle the stress is a very good question because most of the people will undergo the stress in the corporate especially. I know the last time because when I met one boy, 2015 we placed a BCom student in Deloitte. He got placed in the audit department, not tax, audit, BCom. So he worked with the company after 5 years, he just came to me for the recommendation letter for the foreign, abroad state. I found him because there's a lot of, you understand, he lost the hair, you understand, bald head. I asked the question, he looks like a 34, 40 years. when you don't have the hair, he looks little bit, you understand, older. Sir, Deloitte I joined because when you get the opportunity, 5 lakhs for the BCom student, those days. But the problem is login is in our line, log out, God knows, 17 hours, 18 hours, depends on that. So always remember, always I suggest the students also, please work with a company where the company offers the less salary. Because you will get an opportunity to interact with the director, CEO, COO, general manager, vice president to down level executive also. But if you see Deloitte, 20,000 employees are working in the campus A, campus B, campus C, campus D, campus E. 5 campuses are there, Deloitte. 5 campuses, 20,000 employees. You see, if you are a great performer also, if you want to become the vice president Deloitte, how many years it will take? So that's what always I tell the students, work with the startup, a small company, though the salary is very less also. After learning, you just join with that particular designation as the vice president or the director with the Deloitte. So very good question, madam asked the stress. So sir, stress, because after completion of my working hours or weekends, I try to spend my time with my seniors. I try to learn. Apart from that also, I take the extra training. Okay, training in the weekends. So that is what you can tell. Okay, I'm a senior, you need to justify always.
Yeah.
It's not, possible justification. Sir, my uncle stays in US, on the online remote session. It's not possible. You understand? You know very well. When boyfriend and girlfriend, what is the talk? Evening we'll go to, there is a dash, sound break. What happened? Movie actually. The other time what happened, next time you will meet, she'll slap you. And you see, there's a lot of communication barrier with happening. Remote session especially, I'm just talking. It's not possible, practically, sometimes. And every day, in fact, what happens, the timings of US timings and Indian timings are different. I know very well, when this kind of, and you see, possible answers you have to give. Sir, no problem, sir, I try to learn. I have some senior friends who are working in this particular profile, this particular process. I try to sit with those people, I try to learn. Just give me a chance, 2 months to 3 months time, definitely I'll cope up. I'll try to come back stronger. Such kind of.
Yes, to add to that, yes, when the question is asked, you can also tell that when you're stressed, how do you relax? Right? See, one thing is how you're going to prioritize your work is very, very important. The time management skills you need to have. So prioritization will reduce to a greater extent the stress levels that you have. The second thing is, you can tell maybe in the evening hours you may go to a gym or somewhere where you can relax, right? Or you can spend with children or something so that the stress levels will come down, right? So you can give all possible answers telling that you are able to cope with the stress that you are going to encounter during the workplace, right? So one more question which I am going to ask. If there is suppose you have come out with a new process or a new product or a new idea you have in a company and then you are newly joined employee, right? If you are going to face a criticism for that particular idea, how is that you are going to handle the criticism?
That's a good question actually. Generally everyone will face. So whenever you join newly, seniors definitely what happens, they'll be having the ego and they'll be having the problem of what's that? Jealousy and power resistance, these all things we could see. In that particular case, what happened, you need to do some small experiment. The results you need to present whenever you get an opportunity. See, suppose what happened individually, if you go to someone, what happened immediately, they'll pass the information to the superior and they'll create a black remark on you, otherwise they'll pass some wrong information. Instead of that, what happened, you need to wait. Weekly meetings will happen, okay? And monthly meetings will happen. Whenever you get a chance to, you understand, present yourself, that kind of the situations you have to take. Anyway, all the organizations you need to work under the team and team leader. Okay. So team leader and team definitely what happens, end of the day there is a review meeting will be there, or weekly review meeting or monthly review meeting. So try to present yourself, try to be connected to your team leader. Okay. Don't try to talk to any of the members whenever you get a new idea. Okay, they'll try to discourage. You understand? There is a category of the people who always discourage, theory X people, correct or not? So always know, because all people cannot agree. In that particular case, what happened? You need to directly go to decision maker. So decision maker, who are the decision maker, that is the way you can grow. But if you are unable to meet the decision maker, the team leader, but whenever you get an opportunity, there equally the chance will be given to all the employees in the hall. So in that particular case, you can present your idea, so definitely they're going to accept.
Yeah. So to add on to what sir is telling, yes, whenever you face such type of criticism regarding your new concept or a new idea, you can always justify that, right? So when you have certain bases, okay, these are the different alternatives that are there. Yes, why this particular idea can be taken up, justify with reasons. When you justify with reasons, automatically your members and other people are going to accept the idea that you come forward. But you should have a positive attitude towards it, right? If people are criticizing, it means that something is there, right? So you have to take it up as a challenge and then present it in a systematic way with certain parameters, with certain justification. Then it will be accepted. So you need to present it that way. Talk very positively, with a positive note, with a positive attitude, that you are open for criticism. That you have to show to them, to the interviewer. You have to show that yes, always there is a criticism for anything, but how you are going to cope up, you can tell these reasons, that how you are going to justify the thing, right? So how do you, sir, how do you see yourself after 5 years from now? So what is your goal? That why you are joining this company for certain position that we have come up with? So what is your future goal for, and where you want to see yourself for 5 years?
Yes. Sir, myself, I just completed my MBA from one of the premier institute in Hyderabad city. Ours is a Catholic institution. We have a very good infrastructure in the faculty. I am the one of the top performer in my batch. So my goal joining with the Deloitte is, I want to work with any of the US company. That is what my dream first of all. And always Deloitte is one of the dream companies to the many of the students. So that actually what happened, I learned different types of the skills apart from what I learned in the classroom. I have done an auditing course and taxation course. With that I want to become the vice president for the Deloitte. After 5 years rigorously whatever the work I have done, apart from the Indian taxation, I also have done certain kind of the certification programs on the US taxation. So definitely, because when comparing to the other, my friends or the competitors, so I am always, ahead, you understand, better than the other people. So because of that, what happened in 5 years, when I am already done a 1 year certification program on the US taxation, definitely I want to see myself as the senior manager or the vice president of the company. So that is what my goal. And Deloitte is one of the dream company. With that particular thing, future if I get a chance to work with any US firm, easily I can fulfill my dream.
Sir, I would like to ask this question. Actually, I should ask you at the starting of that. Can you speak about yourself for a minute? How do you introduce yourself?
Yes. So, when you're talking about the introduction, madam asked your introduction. But many of the people generally what happens, they present about their family members. Father, mother, brother, sister. Okay. Father, mother, brother, sister. Your father may be an MLA, MP. But because of MP category or the MLA category, you understand, you won't get the job. Company required what? See, suppose this girl is having the firm. What she'll do generally, she want to make the profit. When she want to make the profit, what happen? Capable people only she'll take. So companies also expect whether I'm getting the capable person into my company or not. Correct or not? When you ask, sometimes what happened? A movie is presented here. When you want to sacrifice your seat to some other student, what do? You won't give. Why? It's for your benefit. You want to learn. Correct or not? Similarly, such a big organization, it is providing the employment to the thousands of students. Obviously, HR manager won't listen to any other things apart from your capability, your credentials. You understand? So try to speak. So when you ask the question, tell me about yourself. First of all, tell about yourself. So my name is Professor Dr. Srinivas. I have an experience of 15 years teaching and 1 in the industry. I have done my PhD from Osmania University. So I did my research in branding area. So something like that you need to start, you have to. So I'm specialized in product and brand management, marketing communication, marketing management, especially I'm a strategist. So I designed 20 strategies for so and so firms. It was very popular and successful in this particular. You understand? That is the way within 2 minutes or 1.5 minutes you need to tell. but my sister is that, my brother is that, don't tell about my family, I am from the remote area, you understand, I don't have a proper chappals to walk to my schooling, you understand. So they won't listen, but these things are important. Sometimes what happens, there will be a TEDx talks in the companies also, events, certain things. So that time what happened, you may explore and expose, this kind of the inner talent. So that time you are going to get the very good urge comparing to the self-introduction. But be formal in the introduction. Tell me about yourself, your name, your qualification, your experience, how you are different from the other people, what is your achievements. I said 25 strategies, you understand. I designed the 25 strategies. Out of the 10 strategies are very popular. So and so companies, it is really doing wonderful in the market. Certain things you can tell. That is one.
So that is what sir, as sir is telling, you have to tell that how you are unique when compared to the other individual. Why we need to hire you, because of what? Okay. So when they ask you, you have to tell that these are the things. Like you have done an internship in this particular area. Yes, you have done a project in this particular area, and then yes.
Yeah. This is a beautiful example I want to tell you. Aquafina, Manikchand, Oxyrich. Okay. What is the other water bottles? Tinley water bottle. All looks blue color. Whereas the Himalayan is a company pink color. It's a what is that? It shows mountain purification. The mountain water are the real purification system. And you see, people will try to understand, pick up Himalayan, and you should be different among the. See, branding, packing, labeling are the silent salesmen. Similarly, what happened? Your characteristics and your achievements and credentials should be your silent salesman. So that should sell. You understand? Your potential. So that is what is very, very important. Always try to be unique comparing to the other person. Okay. Project everyone is doing, ratio analysis, something like that. Okay. But you do something which is required to the company. You browse company. Best example. Every Wednesday, DC, Times of India, Hindu will publish the job news. So take the title of the jobs or the functions of the jobs. On the functions of the job, you can try to do the internship or the project. You got it? So we are looking for the dashboard manager who is good at designing or publishing the graphs and charts. Why can't you do on that particular thing? So whenever you try for the job, it will become very easy for you to match with the company expectations. So that's what smart. So same teacher is teaching working capital management, cash flow analysis, funds flow analysis. What you are going to find out new? Pro forma is there. Workflow statement, cash flow statement, ledger, everything pro forma is there. What are you going to learn? It's there in the textbook, that is only you are doing. You are adding some literature review, correct or not you are doing. Not like that. You try to do something practical. That's a best example. Job portals are there. Naukri.com. Correct or not? You please go through that. Financial manager, financial executive. What are the skills? When skills are required, what roles are there? According to the role, you can do the internship and project. So that makes you to the unique person comparing to the other people.
This is what. See, you need to research on that. See, as sir said, he wants to become the vice president of some company or in a finance area. When you feel that you have to be the financial analyst, now for that, do you have those required skills, right? And then all of you need to have some goal where you see yourself after 5 years. For that, what is that you are going to do right now? Every day you need to spend some time focusing on improving your skills, or you updating your skills, or going for new skills. Right, then only you can be very unique in that, right?
Some questions from students?
Yeah, you can take them. Yes, you can ask, and some of you might have faced. Yes,
I just had a doubt, ma'am. I'm from science background. So what advice would you give people who are from science background?
regarding the specializations or regarding the type of the job?
Everything.
Okay. Science means BSc you have done?
BSc Nutrition and Dietetics.
Okay, yeah. Actually, people who are from BSc background, they when the finance company comes, if I'm not wrong, Srinivas sir, they prefer BCom plus finance, right? So it is good that you take up HR, marketing and operations, any of these two specialization you can take, because we have seen also, even though you are very good in the finance area, yes, which you have learnt in the MBA, but still they prefer a BCom plus finance. Is it right, sir? So this is what, any Deloitte company or anything, because earlier we have faced these things, but still they do not accept. So better you take it up, any of these three, and then focus on the skills that you want to focus in these areas.
Okay, yeah. But what's your name, ma? Okay. Don't disappoint yourself. There is another way. Though you are the BSc students, you can get into finance area also. I'll tell you. See, all companies, like Deloitte, such a company.
But it takes, no?
But it
Other areas also it takes.
Yes. So all companies, not with the similar, you understand, recruitment process, but few companies like in a Deloitte, such a companies, foreign companies, they always believe CEC, BCom, MBA finance. But you have a chance now. You can do CA, CPT, inter-level, at least. CA, CPT, simultaneously whatever you can take ICWA, okay, CA, CPT kind of the programs. So with that background also you can apply for the finance, if you are a finance student. But you need to work hard.
Yeah.
You need to take Trivedya, what is that? Trivedya book. Arctic. Please practice, because when you take up ICWA, CA, CPT, you must have the fundamental skills.
Yes.
But generally BCom students, they will be learning in the +2 level CEC, and after that BCom. So there is a chance is there. You have a chance, lot of chance. I tell you why there is a chance. Thousands of BTech students also get placed in the finance area. There is a way. You understand?
It depends on the companies and based on your interest. If you are having that interest, naturally you are going to learn. But I have seen in the past some students, people who are from BSc background, they put in lot of effort and they are the people who top in finance also. So that is basically the interest matters a lot.
So take a proper certification program. So like what is that one? Tally certificate program. It's very costly and ACCA and CPT something. Yeah. So such kind of the programs, if you can take it, you have a chance. Don't disappoint.
Any other questions?
One second.
The students adding to her question, he's from science background, she said, right? There are bridge courses and notice just put up in your groups, please look through it. There is a notice, you can take up those bridge courses, right? It is all for MBA first year students who are from non-commerce background. Okay? Bridge course classes for basics of accounting and basics of IT will be conducted from 9th February 2021. And this will fill the gap definitely, so that you'll forget your background. Once you've taken up MBA, that means you wanted to get into this. So with that inclination, obviously you will come out with flying colors. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir, during an interview when the interviewer asked us what are our salary expectations, on what basis should we decide and tell them?
Salary expectation for the freshers actually no negotiation. Generally what happened, before coming to the campus, they disclose in all the procedure, all the fixed compensation. But there is a chance, if you are already experienced, some students after completion of the BCom or the graduation, they will take some gap, 2 years or 3 years. In that case, you can have a chance to bargain. Okay, you can bargain in that particular case.
And then
But being a fresher, you won't get an opportunity to bargain. Before that only there will be a pre-placement talk. In the pre-placement talk, they'll always disclose and they'll discuss all what is the package, what are the medical allowances, shift timings, shifts, what is the extra allowances, incentives, everything they'll give you all the clear things.
earlier also we have seen, like people who have joined Amazon, right? See, for them, the freshers they had one amount, but people have experience they got an highest amount, right? Higher than this particular amount that is given for freshers. They do consider, right? So you can, as I said, you can present yourself that how your skill, your past experience in that, and then you can get a higher package than that is meant for a fresher.
Deisha is there, no. Rohan Pillai was the one of the assistant roadies. He went to roadies. So Rohan Pillai, he got an opportunity. He had some experience with one of the company. Generally, what about the internship? They'll offer only 20,000, but that guy was offered 36,000. 36,000, 2 to 6 o'clock is the internship with lunch and the tea and snacks in the evening, and 36,000 pick and drop facility. After completion of the 3 months internship, he was offered something 8,70,000 to one Pillai, but unexpectedly he left the company because of the MTV Roadies as a program. So because of that problem, again one more thing also, if you perform well, next batches companies will come in again and again. Retention becomes very easy for us. Attitude, pleasing nature. Excuse me sir, pardon me, you understand you cannot. There's a Bhaskar, there is a guy, very good performer, ADP money. How on if you select like that? He went to manager.
Yeah. See, technically he was very good.
94%
Yes.
in BBA.
And he lost that job.
He lost because of
the
his attitude. Nahal is one of the HR from the ADP, Somajiguda. Also, he select like that. With the same attitude. You know, that 102, the main campus, also they select like that. Later he came to be regretted. You understand? Because attitude, they'll observe everything. Okay. They'll see, while taking the personal interview also, he really appealed the students. Please maintain the silence. Really, everything is the matters when you attend for the interview. All these things are very, very important. So wear some nice blazer, you understand, carry a good bag. Okay. So the discipline also very, very important. As madam said, 80% is the personality, body language. Body language is important. Okay. I gave you a very good movie example also. Correct or not? So that's what you try to build.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, during the interview when they ask, are you ready for a night shift, what should we answer for that?
So this question, most of the girls and boys, really, this is going to worry most of the students. Okay. After marriage, it can be boys or girls. After getting marriage, okay, when you have kids, are you ready to work for the night shifts? After marriage means you need to get some experience. But before marriage, you don't have any other responsibilities, but you have to take it. Because India is a country, 90% of the companies are outsourcing. We are depending on the other developed nations like New Zealand, Australia, Canada, US, correct or not? We have all the outsourcing. So in that case, shift systems are different. I'm very sorry to say this. You joined with International Indian Business School also. Even there also the same problem. Before marriage, you need to accept. Why I'm telling means it's an opportunity to gain experience. But after getting an experience, when you become the master, you have every opportunity to bargain and negotiate. Correct or not? But before you understand getting experience, it's very highly difficult. Let us take what happened. A girl completes her MBA at 23 years, boy also. You can work till 30 years or 28 years, you can get some experience. Correct or not? As a bachelor life. But after that, what happened after getting married? Okay, you can, because you are already experienced, you can demand. Companies are required. Now, in fact, right now, the huge job market is there. But due to the COVID, many people lost their jobs. People are ready to work for the salary, low salary also right now to survive. That's what many companies are preferring experienced people right now. I'm telling you, there's a lot of competition. A experienced person also coming for your job, your level. That means what happened? You should ready. You should ready when you are young. You should accept. 90% of the companies are, you understand, outsourcing companies. You take Deloitte, Arcadia, Wipro, Cognizant, Infosys, any company except there is a government job. Even government job also, you see bank. All the bank managers right now, what happened? They're going through the stress. They're responsible, attracting the depositors. They do campaign. They'll sit in the canopy. You understand? So no job is really you won't get any kind of the relaxation like earlier. Right now, every job is very tough. You need to accept. You have to prove. Okay, 1 year or the 2 years or the 3 years, first you need to accept night shifts, or we have the shifts called rotational shifts. All the shifts you have to accept. There is no other way.
Especially MNCs, yes, you need to be mentally prepared, yes, to take up night shifts. MNCs are that because they are working, yes, night here and there will be a daytime. So that is the reason they may ask you for it. So be mentally prepared for it when you are going for an interview, right? After taking the offer, it is not right to reject it because once you reject it, it is going to have an impact on the other coming batches. They may not come forward. So that's it. Please be mentally prepared when you are going for an interview for a MNC company. Actually, they will be there. Any other questions? Yes, Mashu. She wanted to ask.
Good afternoon, Father. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. Sir, my question is, when ma'am, did you ask, can you tell me about yourself? So, sir replied about the experiences that he had, the researches that he did, and also the certified courses that you have done. So, as a fresher, many of us don't have the experience or the research and the certified courses. So, how uniquely can we present ourselves?
To project internship and certificate programs.
So, for internship,
College level program, state level program, which you have participated,
Yes, so
that you have to
things.
highlight.
for internship interview, is it mandatory that we need to have a research experience?
See, now when you are, see, we are telling you all to write research papers, research articles, right? But how many of you are taking it seriously? Right? Writing an article in newspaper is also a research, right? And then when opportunity is given for you all to, yes, publish your things in a journal, in a college journal. How many of you all are coming forward to do that? That is a research, right? You have to come out with the updated topic, research on that, see some 10 to 15 sites, come out with it. That itself is research.
There is a blogger.com also there. Free blogs. You can write something
Yes.
and you just tag it in the Facebook or LinkedIn. So many people will go through that. You can brand it.
Yes, people are watching and everyone should have, yes, your profile in LinkedIn. Yes, more job opportunities you are going to get. When you write, when you interact with the people, yes, your name will be reflected there. And then there is a research. Everything is a research. When you are trying to write some 4-5 lines also is a research. It's not easy. Just think, yes, take out a pen, write 4-5 lines. You will not be. Until unless you do research, you cannot do that. Right? So that is the reason. See, this year, yes, your batch, we are given credits, 4 credits for internship and 5 credits for project. If something should be different. And then we have included analytics paper in your 3rd semester so that you focus on how to use the statistical tools for research. Right? And every subject we want you all to go with a mini project. That is a research. Right? When you go to the market to do a survey and you can do a survey in the college itself, that is a research. So research is everywhere. Only thing is you have to have the thought. Yes? You have to stimulate your mind to get the ideas. Right? In the classes also we are giving small cases where we want you to think. When you start thinking, that becomes a research. Right? Any other questions?
Just a point. See, when it comes to the point of your introduction, all that is being done in your MBA, starting from first day, if you can relate it to that and then take something out of it, you will be able to explain yourself. You see, first day we did little exercise. What did you learn from that? Did you identify your core skills? Did you identify your weaknesses? So you have half a minute to talk to. You had orientation program, right? So you know what subjects you are going to have, what specializations you are going to have. You have another half a minute to talk to. You can talk to them. Now suppose if you are attending interview, now you can say, see, the college offers the following specializations. I am going with this specialization of that because of XYZ reasons. So half a minute you can buy. Okay. Now example about research. Research, you just read. Now budget session was over. You can very well speak about 2 minutes about all the sectors. I don't know whether you are focusing things or not. See, if you focus, I have given you the first day few diaries. I am not seeing anybody using it. Thank you. At least one I am happy. See, because you see, unless you have an attitude of learning from everything, Or do you think we don't have other work? Actually, enta parandandi ipudu NAT work, NBA work, governing body meeting, we are bogged up with work. Actually, I wanted to do my office work, but I said I wanted to listen to the session. And thereby I also learn. So every session that you attend, even in your class, simple case studies discussed. When you are talking to the HR person, you are talking about yourself, you can take that case study and see what you have learned from that. And they will assess, oh, this candidate is interested in learning from everything. They will assess your aptitude and attitude. Attitude is nothing but your involvement or your openness to learn. First today, one of the points I mentioned, be open to learn. Now also, so many examples are given, so much of planning is done here. But if you are careful enough, you have plenty to take home. So you should never suffer for lack of information to say something about you. You see, definitely you might have been something in your 10th class intermediate degree, either class level or at group level or individual level. You might have done something, but you see what is happening. You are not recognizing your own talents. You are not recognizing your own strengths. Work on it. If we can conduct a simple exercise to identify your strengths and weaknesses, most of you will come out with your weaknesses first than your strengths. It's proved in psychology. Because you know for what? Our companions also will tell us what we don't have. Parents also will tell us what we don't have. Okay? Lecturers and teachers also will tell us what we don't have. But ultimately what we have is not focused. But we have to do reverse engineering. MBA is all about that. Go back to what you have done. And that gives you a nice platform to talk to your HR, whatever it is, about yourself, not for 1 or 2 minutes. 10 minutes non-stop you can talk. There you express yourself. What are you trying to achieve? See, I told you also, if you take an inch from your angle down or upward, it's very difficult to come back. Goal setting. You can talk about goal setting. Sir, we had a wonderful session on the first day about goal setting, and this is my goal. This is how I want to achieve. These are all the things I want to do. This is the certificate course I want to do. Because I want to do, I am using that word because things are not yet offered. So, for you, no question should be difficult if only you focus little. Everything is provided. Everything is provided. Only thing is you need to apply it to your situation and then use it. If you do that, you will all come out with flying colors in your first round. The person while you sitting should be surprised at your capacity. You all have, don't underestimate yourselves. It is never like that. Only thing is, things were not brought out well. The meaning of education is to bring out. Educare, it is in Latin. Educare, to bring out your talents, to bring out your capacities. This is what you have to work out. So please, dear students, when simple question, see, you don't have to talk about my name is, my 10th class, my school name is, my intermediate college name is, my degree college name is, my brother name, father name. No. Your name, your qualification or group, whatever it is, your percentage at the most, 3 sentences common. Then you jump into your weaknesses or strengths straight away. What you could achieve, what is your strategic plan, how do you want to use your time. Express yourself. What is preventing you? So these things you need to practice in your groups. That's what I wanted to suggest, Srinivas sir. You have to work out in your groups first. Then you have to come back to faculty members in a mock interview time. Then you will all, within no time you will get accustomed to this interview procedure. And you will all do great work. Yeah.
Any other questions?
Any questions?
Yeah, please.
Sir, I'm Manish. So could you please tell us how to tackle some tricky questions, sir? Like, if I give you 1 crore, what would you do? Or if you are placed in a Sahara desert, or you are the only thing, so how do you handle that situation?
See, such kind of a situation, generally what happens, it happens. Yeah. In fact, this is a good question actually. But these kind of the questions are not asked to freshers. those who are experienced people, for them it will be asked. In that cases, you should be very frank. If you can able to answer, you say something, but don't try to tell certain stories. If you given 1 crore rupees, what are you going to do? Sir, I'll put in the bank, I'll take 65,000 rupees interest. Example. No, it's not like that. I have the planning to start my dream project, a dream company. You can tell some startup which is there in your mind. So as I told you, because the what is that big basket? What is the big basket? It's very simple actually. A person who started with the 50,000 rupees in the community, an apartment. Thank you, Siddharth. An apartment. Now you see, after that, he understood the market, he developed the app. With the app, how he expanded. Such kind of the beautiful, you understand, concepts, if you have, is going to, because this is a creative answers. Creative answers. If you are in desert, what happened? I'm going to start a water business for the tourist people. It is situationally, according to the situation, you need to answer. You understood? 1 crore rupees, what do you do, sir? Being an MBA, I studied in St. Joseph College. We have a lot of entrepreneurial sessions. So definitely, because I want to take this project along with 1 or 2 my friends, I have a beautiful project in my mind. So that is what my dream, after getting some experience, after 10 years to 20 years also, I want to become. Don't tell within 1 year, I'll resign my job and I'll start. So because of the 1 year, they won't give you 6 months training. Correct or not? This is the kind of things, you must be very clear and frank. This question will be there, but don't get panic. Sir, I want to start a business. I want to become competitor to Urban Club. First of all, I want to start in one of the, regional area of the Hyderabad territory. Then I want to expand. Something like that, with your experience you can answer.
Yeah, see, this is a creativity, yes? Unless you read certain things,
Yes.
you involve, you do something. See, suddenly these thoughts will not come,
Yes.
right? See, it's like sitting here and then going, oh no, you have to work on it. You read many newspapers, you have online books, when you keep on reading, the thoughts automatically will come. So the creative thinking skills are skills that you have to develop yourself. See, we give the platform, yes, but you have to use. So it is there in your brain. Right? How sir said, those thoughts have to come.
Correct.
The more you see, participate in events, you go to that type of events, management event, they'll ask such type of question. You practice it. So in that way you can
I
answer.
was really inspired after my BCA. I saw one movie name is called Boys. Boys movie is that movie, okay. Everyone saw the costumes and dressings and all. But what I said, actually was that movie along with my father. He asked, seriously. He asked, I can still remember, we both watched in Sudarshan 35mm, RTC Crossroad. So those days I used to stay as a bachelor in Chikatpalli. We saw both, my father asked, Nana antaru, my daddy. Nana, what you observed from the movie? And you see, those people face a lot of problems in their life 3 times. They are arrested under Quota Act also. But at the right opportunity, when they got some support, they take it as an opportunity, they become the pop stars or singers, you understand? And you see, everyone have, but see, nowadays, when you go through Facebook also, lot of things, so many, because I can say, they started their own, with the lectures only, they are earning lakhs of rupees. Morning to evening, that fellow what happened, conduct 3 sessions. Okay, soft skill training antaru, mic pettukuntadu, morning to evening, 2 hours batch. If you want to pay, Roser Pay, what is that Roser Pay, na? GPay, Roser Pay, you, please, this is a, what I can say,
Very good
opportunity. 7,000, they'll, okay,
Slash.
and they'll try to pay today only 2,000. 2,000 into 50 members, 3 batches, 1 week. You see how much money? These things, you need to be creatively, you need to think, you need to write, okay? So many. Some people, what happened? Ramki Mandi, Ramki Mandi is selling the brand like anything. In our Kottapet Nagal area, Begum Bazaar dosa is available. Bandi, understand? So same brand name out there. The creativity. Okay, that only observation, reading, experience.
Yes, ma'am.
One more question.
Hello. claps are meant for two things. One, either for good answering or completely stopping. We understand it's for second. So, tomorrow onwards, I just told Srinivas sir, whenever there is a session, we will cancel the last hour. Good. No, Sunday is a working day. You can all shout and make your noise. Saturday is 100% working day. Attendance will be calculated. Only second Saturday is holiday. Whether you like it or not, otherwise I will go with simple tactic. We will just conduct classes. Everything is cancelled. We will just conduct classes. All the rest of the things will be cancelled.